Last night I was looking over a case uh, that is one of my more serious cases. And I just, I assume that I'm feeling the stress of the matter. Um, Sometimes we take a case, and as we get the information, the discovery, all the evidence, um, it becomes apparent that it's not winnable. And I started thinking, I need to be smarter. I need to be better. I need to understand laws better. I need to do more research. And I started to pray. And I even went as far as to write something on my Facebook page that I was struggling with a case and that I was praying for wisdom and the patience to wait for that wisdom to come. And I just felt that it was necessary. It wasn't about getting attention or anything like that, but sometimes you feel like you need people to pray for you in all types of situations in life. But the reason I'm putting this out there is I said that prayer. I kept thinking about it. My girlfriend prayed for me. I know some friends on Facebook, said that they were praying for me. And I walk into court this morning, and this case was up. And the prosecutor, I go, "Hey, how are you?" "Good." And the first words besides hi were, "I've spoken to the witnesses, the victim on the case, and I am going to change the charge for you." Now, I can't tell you the specifics of this case. It's still pending, but this is a very, very serious case. And the truth is, the evidence, quite frankly, is overwhelming against my client. And it's not because of my legal prowess or my decision making abilities or my abilities to figure out a puzzle. I honestly believe that the prayer was answered. There's no logic in why this charge should be changed. There's no reason. And in my prayer lesson, I knew that. And I was just asking God for guidance to what could I do to express to a prosecutor that this particular person, and as subjective as it may be, that this particular person deserved a second chance and not a prison term and not any other sanctions that came along with this particular case. When the prosecutor said that to me, I started to tear up, and I said, "Hey, can we speak outside?" And she repeated what she had just said, and I teared up right away. I just felt that it was a moment that I was being blessed, and this client, I'm sure his friends, his family, his loved ones were praying as well. I teared up and I hugged the prosecutor, and I apologized to her because it was emotional, and I'm sure she was shocked because of the type of case. Why is this defense attorney being emotional? But I guess I'm going through my own things, my own spiritual struggles, and I don't know, just to know that God answers the prayer just overwhelmed me. Even came back to the office and shared it with a fellow attorney and broke down during that. So, it's not always about being the biggest and the baddest and the most versed. No matter how big, how bad I was on this case, I can't win. And the fact that the prosecutor is going to change the charge and the severe factors that go along with this charge are just mind-boggling. And the only entity that I can thank is the man upstairs. And I just wanted to share. People think that it's me. It's not me. I'm just an instrument. And geez, I didn't even say anything except good morning. And the charges are going to be changed, and this young individual is going to have a second chance at life, and I just feel very blessed at this moment, and thought I would share. Thanks for listening. I'm Roger P. Foley. Bye bye.